Hello Amazon shoppers, it's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we are going over our favorite outdoor furniture on Amazon. I absolutely love this set from XIZZI. It is a 5-piece set. Yes, you have the sectional configuration with your little coffee table, outdoor table, but again, it is 5 individual pieces, so you can set them up however you want, whatever fits in your environment, whatever's gonna work for you best that day. You can make it happen. And what's nice about this is they're lightweight enough. Even though it's really durable material, they're still gonna be light enough to where you can easily move them around and make it work for you. The table has a really great tempered glass on top, which is going to make it really easy to set all of your drinks and food and not worry about them spilling. But it is also super easy to clean. You know, just wipe down the glass. Speaking of easy to clean, all of this is easy to clean. The wicker is going to be PE wicker, which is more resistant to water and sun, all of that stuff. It's going to hold up over time and be a lot more durable, but it's also super easy to clean too. One thing that I really love about this set in particular that a lot of patio sets on Amazon do not have, and I think it's important to look for, they have adjustable feet, you know, that will allow you to put this on an uneven surface. A lot of times our patios might have, you know, it might be in the yard or on different stones on the ground, and you know, you don't want your table all wobbly, you don't want your couch all wobbly. That's not gonna be comfortable. Everyone's gonna be annoyed. You're gonna spill your drink. So you wanna make sure that you can keep your furniture level, and you can do that with this set because it's just super easy as screwing the bottom up or down to make the height exactly perfect with whatever ground situation you have going on. So this is a great set. You're gonna be able to use it in so many different ways. It's gonna hold up for years. You are gonna love it. Go ahead and put it in your cart. You're gonna be happy that you did.